Tesla's journey in China began with a bold move: the establishment of its Gigafactory in Shanghai, a strategic decision that marked a significant milestone for the company. This massive facility, operational since 2019, serves as a testament to Tesla's commitment to the Chinese market, showcasing their dedication to innovation and growth. The Shanghai Gigafactory churns out Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, catering to both domestic Chinese demand and export markets, ensuring a steady supply of vehicles. In 2023, China accounted for 40% of Tesla's global deliveries, highlighting its importance as a key market for the company. Tesla's ambitions in China extend beyond manufacturing, as they aim to be a leader in automotive technology. The company is actively seeking regulatory approval to introduce its full self-driving technology in the country, a move that could revolutionize transportation. However, the road ahead is not without obstacles, as regulatory challenges and market dynamics pose significant hurdles. Tesla faces formidable competition from local Chinese EV manufacturers who are rapidly gaining ground, making the market fiercely competitive. Companies like BYD, XPeng, and NIO have emerged as serious contenders, each with their own strengths and innovations. As the EV market in China continues to expand, the battle for supremacy is intensifying, with each player striving to outdo the other. Tesla's success in China hinges on its ability to navigate this increasingly competitive landscape, adapting to local preferences and regulatory requirements. While Tesla made early inroads into China's burgeoning EV market, it didn't take long for local competitors to rise to the challenge. Domestic manufacturers have wasted no time in catching up, leveraging their deep understanding of the local market and consumer preferences. BYD, with a strong foothold in battery technology, has emerged as a formidable rival. Their expertise in battery production has given them a significant edge. In a significant development, BYD surpassed Tesla in global EV sales in the first half of 2024, marking a major milestone in the EV industry. XPeng, another Chinese EV maker, has set its sights on challenging Tesla's technological edge. Their focus on innovation is evident in their latest models. The company's city navigation-guided pilot system is a direct competitor to Tesla's full self-driving, showcasing their advanced capabilities. Models like the Mona M03 and the P7 Plus are clear indicators of XPeng's aggressive strategy to capture market share and push technological boundaries. NIO, meanwhile, is focusing on battery swapping technology to alleviate range anxiety, offering a unique solution to a common EV concern. NIO is also making strides in autonomous driving, aiming to provide a seamless and futuristic driving experience. Chinese companies are at the forefront of battery technology, developing cheaper, more efficient, and faster charging solutions that could revolutionize the industry. Tesla faces the daunting task of fending off these ambitious challengers, each bringing their own strengths and innovations to the table. As Chinese companies set their sights on international expansion, Tesla must adapt and evolve to maintain its position in the ever-competitive global market. China's dominance in the EV arena is intrinsically linked to its mastery of battery technology. Recognizing that the battery is the heart of an electric vehicle, Chinese companies have made significant investments in research and development. A prime example is the introduction of sodium-ion batteries by CATL in 2024. These groundbreaking batteries offer a cheaper and faster charging alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion batteries have the potential to revolutionize the EV industry. Chinese companies are well positioned to capitalize on global demand, supplying batteries for both domestic and international automakers. This shift in the battery landscape presents both challenges and opportunities for Tesla. Tesla benefits from its existing partnerships with Chinese battery manufacturers. However, the company faces increasing pressure to keep pace with rapid innovations. Tesla must continue to invest in battery research and development to maintain its competitive edge. China's rise as an EV powerhouse is not solely the result of private sector ingenuity. It is a testament to the nation's strategic vision and long-term planning. It is a carefully orchestrated strategy, spearheaded by the Chinese government, which has been relentless in its pursuit of EV dominance. Beijing has implemented a multifaceted approach to foster the growth of its domestic EV sector, ensuring that every aspect of the industry is supported. Subsidies and incentives have played a pivotal role in driving EV adoption in China, making electric vehicles more accessible to the average consumer. The government offers financial assistance to both EV manufacturers and buyers, creating a robust ecosystem for growth. These incentives have created a virtuous cycle, boosting demand and driving down costs, which in turn fuels further innovation and expansion. The government has also erected protectionist barriers to shield its domestic manufacturers from foreign competition, ensuring they have a competitive edge. These measures have contributed to the rapid growth of Chinese EV companies, allowing them to scale operations quickly and efficiently. The US imposed a 100% tariff on Chinese-made EVs in May 2024, a move that has significant implications for the global EV market. The European Union followed suit, imposing additional levies on Chinese automakers, further complicating international trade dynamics. These protectionist measures have created a challenging environment for foreign automakers, including Tesla, which now faces increased hurdles in these key markets. Tesla must carefully navigate this complex geopolitical landscape, balancing its ambitions with the realities of international trade tensions. Despite its early mover advantage, Tesla faces an increasingly challenging road ahead in China. The competitive landscape has intensified, with domestic EV makers rapidly closing the technology gap. One of Tesla's primary challenges is the need for continuous innovation. Chinese companies are relentless in their pursuit of cutting-edge technology. Tesla must maintain its technological edge by investing heavily in research and development. Another hurdle for Tesla is the complex regulatory environment in China. The government's support for domestic companies creates an uneven playing field for foreign automakers. Supply chain risks also loom large. The global semiconductor shortage and geopolitical tensions pose potential disruptions to Tesla's operations. Tesla must diversify its supply chain and secure alternative sources for critical components. Finally, Tesla must address the evolving preferences of Chinese consumers. Despite the challenges, Tesla has a significant opportunity to thrive in China by embracing collaboration. Rather than viewing Chinese companies solely as competitors, Tesla can leverage their strengths and expertise. Joint ventures and partnerships can provide Tesla with access to local supply chains and manufacturing expertise. For instance, Tesla's existing partnership with CATL for battery supply has proven to be mutually beneficial. Collaboration can also extend to research and development. Pooling resources and knowledge can accelerate innovation in areas like battery technology and autonomous driving. By working together, Tesla and Chinese companies can push the boundaries of EV technology. Establishing research and development centers in China can give Tesla a competitive edge. Tesla's journey in China is a testament to the company's ambition and adaptability. However, the road ahead is fraught with challenges as the company faces intense competition and a complex regulatory landscape. To maintain its position as a leader in the world's largest EV market, Tesla must embrace a multifaceted strategy. Continuous innovation is paramount. Tesla must invest heavily in research and development, focusing on battery technology and software advancements, exploring new partnerships, and potentially acquiring companies with specialized expertise can further bolster Tesla's capabilities. Navigating the regulatory landscape requires a delicate touch. Tesla must engage with the Chinese government constructively. Building strong relationships with government officials and industry stakeholders will be crucial. Adapting to the Chinese market is essential. Understanding the nuances of the Chinese market and responding to evolving consumer demands will be key to Tesla's continued growth.